Hello friends, today's topic 12 stocks with highest profits in the last 10 years. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In our YouTube channel, we present data based on our research so that members can get ideas to do further research and take decisions. Our objective is not for you to become blind investors. In stock markets, proper knowledge and research in stock markets is very important. Our video should be starting point for a research and learning and not the ending point. Nifty 50 index has given 11 to 12% per annum average returns for the last 27 years since April 1996. Sensex index has given around 16% per annum returns for the last 45 years since 1979. When the index itself gives 11 to 16% per annum in the long term, the individual stocks have the scope to provide much higher returns. Usually, in good companies, the returns could be 15 to 25% per annum over a period of 15 to 20 years. In this video, we are presenting a list of stocks with highest stock returns in the last 10 years. We have considered only companies in the NSE 500 index, not smaller than that. Companies with high CAGR for last 10 years. KEI Industries, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 65%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 48%. You may be confused, what is this net profit growth CAGR 10 years? That means every year the companies are coming out with profit and loss account, and this is the extra profit they made approximately in CAGR wise in last 10 years. Electra Green, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 65%. Net profit growth CAGR for the last 10 years, 41%. Uno Minda, 58% is the approximate stock CAGR in the last 10 years, and 68% is the net profit growth in the last 10 years. Tanla Platforms, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 54%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 50%. Trend, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 50%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 59%. PCBL, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 47%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 23%. 7 companies, Action Construction Equipment, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 46%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 60%. APL Apollo, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 45%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 29%. HBL Power, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 43%. Net profit growth CAGR 36%. Deepak Nitrate, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 44%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 25%. Saregama India, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 43%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 28%. JBM Auto, approximate stock CAGR 10 years, 42%. Net profit growth CAGR 10 years, 14%. Observations and comments. Number 1. These companies are given very high stock returns of between 40 to 65% CAGR for the last 10 years. Many of these companies are still not too big, and hence, if you can research well, you could still benefit from the further growth in the business. Number 2. Many other companies may not have given such high returns, but may have given 15 to 30% per annum. Please note, 30 plus CAGR for long period is quite rare. However, 15 to 20% is quite common for many good companies. 3. In spite of the huge appreciation in the long term, as long as the company business is growing, you can still expect good returns in the future, at least 10 years. 4. Many people assume that just because the stock has appreciated well in the past, it cannot appreciate in the future. This is not necessarily true. So don't neglect stocks with the above wrong notion. 5. This video has been made for you to analyze and understand why certain companies are given spectacular returns and why many other companies are given negative returns in the same period. After our research, if you are convinced about the growth of the company, then you know how to manage your stocks. If you don't do research, then you will be blindly investing and hence it could lead to confusion when there is a stock price fall in the future. End of the video, here is a question. In your portfolio currently, which stock has given you highest returns? Type the name in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.